The first section of this page we'll build is the header, which contains the navigation labels. To get started, create a new file and save the file on your computer. You can name the file whatever you like. Also create your basic HTML page structure as shown here. Since this entire header is nested inside of a table, that's the first thing we'll create. So start by creating a table. And I'll go over this in just a second. I've created a table here, and the width is 100%, so it'll expand and contract with the web browser. The height is 60 pixels, 0 border, cell spacing of 5, and cell padding of 5 as well. Give it a background color of black, and so that's the hex code for black. Inside this table, create a single table row. Inside this row, create a single table column. And give it a line attribute set to left. So anything contained in this column will be aligned to the left. Okay, so we have a table created with one row and one column. Inside this table, we're going to create a nested table. So this nested table will have a fixed width of 547 pixels, border of 0, a center alignment because we want all the links aligned in the middle, and a cell padding and spacing of 1. Now each link will need to be situated inside its own column. So we'll have to create 5 columns inside this table. Here's the first column. It has a width of 96 pixels. We've also created a font attribute and set the face to Verdana, Geneva, and sans serif. The color of the text will be white. And we've placed the link label inside an H3 element. So it gives it a slightly larger font size. Then we close the font tag and close the TD, the column tag. Now you'll need to do this for all the remaining link labels. So it's the same code. The only difference is that the width for each column is slightly different because some labels are longer than others. And of course, the label is also different for each item. Okay, and that's how that first section was created. So you can see it's fairly simple.